made it with time to spare. How long did we make it? 20 minutes.
30 minutes.
30 minutes. That's pretty good. Alright, you guys, we made it to the airport. We are in Orlando now. So we finally made it. I survived. I didn't die. But now we are going to be getting our luggage, and then we're going to be going to the hotel, and so we'll be able to show you that too. Welcome back to our channel. So we just finally arrived at our hotel. We are staying at the Hilton Garden International Drive. It's really close to Universal, and so I just wanted to give you guys a quick room tour because it looks great. So let's get started. So when you come in, here's the door. To the left of the door, you have a folding mirror. Hi, everybody. In here, we have an ironing board. There's a iron. They have hangers. They have some storage up there, which is great, and some hangers, and if you need to do laundry. So that's really cool. And then this opens up to a bigger mirror, which is nice. So then to the right of the door, you have this door. And when you open it, the first thing you see is a hair dryer, which is always nice. We always need one of those. So then here's the bathroom. So it's a single sink. It has a full-size mirror with 2 lights, which is nice. A bit simple kind of granite right here. And they do provide you some of their body lotion and stuff, which is nice. And they do have a trash can. Here is the toilet. They have a really pretty picture. I really like this. It's like a pretty flower green, like it looks like a flower that's green, but it's really pretty. Then here's the shower. So it does have like a simple shower head. It's not anything fancy at all, but it's very simple. And what's weird is the towels are actually in the shower. Look at that. So they're just right up there inside. It's kind of a strange feature to have, but hey, it's a decent size, I'd say. So then when you come out of there, to the left, they have a mini fridge, which is cool. They have a coffee maker. They also have an ice bucket. To the right of that, they have these drawers that have some extra storage in them, which is always nice. And then they have a microwave. And then they have some storage up here. Look at that. That's pretty good. So then to the right of that, they have another mirror, another full size, so you guys could check yourself out before you go to the parks, make sure you look good. And then we come inside to the actual bedroom. So I thought at first these were queen beds, but they look more like full size beds. So we got 2. To the left of that bed, they do have USB plugs right there, both sides, and a good amount of plugs. And they do have some storage here, just some drawers. And they have some nice artwork on the wall right there. And there's 2. So then right here, they also have another storage area. Some just right there and some extra drawers for you. And they do have a TV. It's kind of small, but that's all right. And then to the right of that, they also have a desk with some drawers right there. Excuse our stuff, sorry. And then here's our chair. They have another mirror. Apparently they just want you to be able to look at yourself. Another mirror. And then they also give you this really cool just little chair with a little footrest, which is really nice. I actually really like it. It's really cute. It's kind of simple. It's not super extravagant or anything. And then when you come over here, let me get this open. Here's our view, you guys. I don't know if you can, let me see if I can kind of hide myself in here. Oh, let me, I'm so sorry, you guys. Hold on, let me hide myself. Okay, so look at this view, you guys. There's the pool down there. It's a really pretty view. We could see the highway. We could see some like flashing lights over there. I don't know what that is over there, but it looks fun. So yeah. Oh, look at over there. Look at that. Can you see that? Look at that, you guys. Look right there. It's nice. All right. Yeah. So it's just a really simple room. I'm kind of shocked that they didn't like pre-clean this. I mean, usually like with Disney, they put a wrapping over it to let you know it's cleaned, but they didn't do that this time. So I'm not really sure why, but yeah, so this is the room, you guys. I'm really excited. We're staying at this hotel for 2 nights while we go to Islands of Adventure and Universal, and then we're gonna go to a different hotel, so we'll definitely do another room tour for that. But I did want to mention, they did say they have a breakfast buffet. It's $12.95 for adults and $7.95 for kids. So we're looking forward to that.
What's the most important detail about that?
It's a buffet.
All you can eat.
All you can eat. So we're gonna see if we can try it. Just because it does open at 6:30 though, so I don't see why we can't.
We're across the street from the park.
I'm definitely you know, go to the parks kind of early kind of girl. So we usually skip breakfast, but we're gonna try to make it for breakfast. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. We're always trying, like we're saying, we're always trying to provide you the best content, and we hope you like our room tours because we really do want to, you know, showcase them really well. So let us know how we're doing. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to tap out.